Good afternoon, Judge Mark Wasbury for plaintiff.
And I have counsel. I don't know where he is. Alex Henry is supposed to be here with legal aid. I've been emailing him since last week.
You say Mr. Henry representing you?
Mm-hmm.
Did he say that?
Yep. He sent me an email and asked me, did I still need his services? And I told him, yeah, I called him this morning and I emailed him this morning and I didn't get no response. Because of legal aid, they don't have walk-ins anymore. You have to call. And he said he was going to help us get the other documents that she need. They sent her birth certificate application back. Social Security closed the week we was going to go, open back up this week. And I had no money to catch the bus. So he emailed me on the 28th, said he was going to help us. And I have this I gave to her.
Hold on.
Regardless of the documents, it's true, they do owe us some documents. I think the last time, a couple of weeks ago, you ordered Ms. Hines to pay escrow. That was a problem. And my assistant called the court 2 days ago. It was not paid. She's paid nothing since November. Now, of course,
I didn't get my check. They FIA said I had to turn a statement in, so Social Security put a hold on it until they recalculate, they said, because FIA paid, Department of Human Services pays my Medicare premium. And so she said she needed 2 statements from Chime. And I emailed her that, and I've been calling them every day.
When are you supposed to get your check?
As soon as FIA releases it, they do their part. And Social Security, I called them yesterday, and they said as soon as they get the paperwork from FIA saying that they're going to pay their part.
well, Judge,
But I have 280 on the 27th.
I'm going to assume that this court did question her on the funds last time we were in court, and I think there was a representation that she would be able to do it. And even before we started this case, she hadn't been paying her rent. Last time she paid was November.
Yep.
That's an
You contact legal
I should have paid it.
Mr. Henry.
I should have paid it, but they refused to fix anything in my apartment.
Pardon?
They don't want to fix nothing in my apartment.
Okay. Ms. Hines, I can.
And I can't reach out to
Hines?
agencies because I don't
Hines.
think.
Ms. Hines, I may be able to get to all of those issues, but you got to put the money in escrow.
I will.
When is it going in? Because you told me before you were going to pay it in.
The 27th. I'll put it in there.
Well, you were supposed to pay the 280 on that day.
Yes.
But what about
I was going to try to give the 1,500.
Pardon?
I got my check because I get 1164.
Pardon?
I get 1164 a month. And then when my daughter-in-law, my nephew's girlfriend, give me 280, then I was going to put that with it.
Is that the other occupant?
But I don't have no thing for court from the court to get help from the agency.
What do you mean you don't?
I don't have no court thing saying that I owe that money. I filed for FIA.
Complaint, Ms. Hines.
Huh?
Who have you tried to contact?
The SER with FIA. And they sent me a letter back denying me because they had I didn't have no documentation to send in showing that I had to go to court for it.
You had to send them your complaint.
It's not on there.
What's not on there?
My rent.
Termination, Judge.
He's taking me to court for something else, not rent.
Right, it's for termination, but should be able to get something from your landlord. This is what I owe.
Okay. But they want something for it.
Got a document. You can submit that to.
Okay.
Yes.
I will do that.
Okay, but still, is it just you in your apartment?
Me and my nephew. He's on my lease, and then.
All right. So that'd be only about $520 of this.
Right.
Okay. So, Ms. Hines, what do you want to do with this case? Because I want
to get it paid. I want them to fix everything in my apartment.
Okay, we'll get to that, but you're not really doing what you need to be doing on this case.
I know, but I will. I just been stressed out.
Okay, everybody's stressed.
Yes.
So when are you going to get them to document? My understanding is there were some documents of Social Security, some other things that they.
Yes. Uh-huh.
When are you going to get them the documents?
We'll have them by the 27th, the attorney. He's working on it now.
Who's working on it?
Alex Henry with legal aid.
Oh,
And you've not heard from Mr. Henry?
no, I don't know why a lawyer is needed for financial documents.
Well, I don't know that I can question that. I just need to know, did legal aid give you advice or are they going to represent you?
He said he was going to represent me.
All right, let me pass this briefly. I'm going to have my staff check because that puts me in a different posture if she's represented. I'll call you right back up, Miss Watson.
All right.
Got it in front of me. Riola Hines, recall.
Mark Wasbury for plaintiff.
Ms. Hines, Mr. Henry has indicated to us that they are not representing you.
Oh. He told me he was when he emailed me.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, have my email copy.
I need to call him.
No, it says I have spoken with Ms. Hines in the past, but not heard from her since April 28th. I do see she reached out by email this morning, but unfortunately we don't have availability to enter her case at this time. So they're not representing you.
Okay. Then no. So can I?
They're seeking to terminate your tenancy because you don't have the stuff to them.
Right. I have 280 on the 27th, another 500 on the 1st. I'll try to get more and go reach out to the agencies.
But this is there's documents you're supposed to provide to the landlord.
Yes.
Haven't given those to them.
Right. And she said before she let me get evicted, she would leave, find somewhere to go. Stacy.
Do what?
Stacy Steeford says she would find somewhere else to go until she got all her paperwork.
Who is Stacy?
My nephew's girlfriend. They come from Oklahoma.
Well,
yeah, says she will.
When is she going to move out?
She'll have to move out, say next week. She says she'll find somewhere to go.
That's very wicked.
She don't get her check till the 27th.
It doesn't. I would ask for a judgment. I mean, it doesn't sound like there's any progress here. She's admitted the unauthorized occupant is living there. Unfortunately, this is not the first time we've been way behind on rent with Miss Hines.
Termination case. So I'm going to find that at this time there's no tribal issue. I'm going to issue a judgment for. I'm going to make the writ date. I'm going to do it this way, Mr. Frey. I'm going to make the writ date extended to May 29th, 2026. I'll set a hearing on the writ that date. So we're just going to do this all in one fell swoop. We'll be done. That will be at 12 noon. Ms. Hines, I can't make it any clearer. I'm issuing a judgment. You'll be evicted after the 29th.
If I get the
supply all the documents to the landlord.
Okay.
They need to be supplied to them. I'm giving one more shot. That'd be the hearing date on the 29th.
Okay.
And your rent needs to be caught up and your balance at zero. Otherwise, I'm letting the writ go forward.
Okay, thank you.